Not every car is built to last. Some look good on the outside, but once you own them, it's nothing but breakdowns, repair bills, and regret. Today, I'm counting down the 5 worst car brands you should absolutely avoid in 2025. If you're thinking of buying one of these, you might want to watch this first. Number 5. Nissan. Nissan used to be solid. The Maxima, the 300ZX, those cars had personality and reliability. But after merging with Renault, things went downhill. The biggest problem? Their CVT transmissions. These things are a disaster. Many fail before hitting 100,000 miles, and fixing one will cost you 4 to 5 grand. The Sentra, Pathfinder, Ultima, all plagued with complaints. And that's not all. Nissan engines burn oil, leak oil, and just don't last like they should. Add in outdated infotainment and fuel economy that's way worse than advertised, and you've got a brand that went from fan favorite to money pit. Number 4. Land Rover. Land Rover sells luxury on the outside, but under the hood, it's chaos. Electrical systems constantly fail, the air suspension breaks down, and even simple maintenance is ridiculously expensive. Brakes and tires can cost $5,000 every 15,000 miles. And don't expect it to hold value either. A Land Rover loses value faster than almost any SUV. Sure, it looks good in the driveway, but unless you enjoy expensive breakdowns and endless dealer visits, skip it. Number 3. Jeep. Jeep has that rugged, adventurous image, but in reality, it's more like just empty every pocket. Unless you're strictly off-roading, daily driving a Jeep is rough. The ride is uncomfortable, the handling feels sloppy, and the interiors look and feel cheap. And reliability? Forget it. The Wrangler, Compass, Grand Cherokee, they've all been called out for constant issues. Safety ratings aren't impressive either. Jeep hasn't made the IIHS top safety picks list since 2019. Repairs are frequent, parts are expensive, and long-term ownership is brutal. Honestly, if you're not climbing rocks, a Jeep just doesn't make sense. Number 2. BMW. Now, BMW. This is where luxury dreams turn into maintenance nightmares. People buy them for performance and style, but they don't realize how insanely expensive it is to keep one running. Timing chains fail, oil leaks are common, and that N63 V8 engine constantly drains the battery. A new M4 is over $80,000, but 10 years later, you can find one for $25,000. Sounds like a deal, right? Wrong. That massive price drop happens for a reason: repairs. BMWs aren't built for long-term reliability, they're built for status and speed. Unless you've got deep pockets, owning one is financial torture. Number 1. Volvo. This one might surprise you. Volvo has a great reputation for safety, but safe doesn't mean reliable. Recent models like the XC90, XC60, and XC40 are plagued with electrical problems, climate control failures, and even brake issues. On average, Volvo owners spend nearly $770 a year on maintenance. That's about $13,500 over 10 years. That's more than many luxury brands, and for a car that's supposed to give peace of mind, that's a huge letdown. Stylish, comfortable, and safe? Yes. Reliable in the long run? Not even close. So there you have it. 5 car brands you should think twice about before buying in 2025. Which one shocked you the most, and have you ever owned one of these brands? Let me know your horror stories down in the comments. I might feature some in a future video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car breakdowns, and check out my YouTube shorts.